Guys, welcome to Stride DIY. I'm on Walmart online to look at and show you some of their Black Friday deals going on now. Now, these are early access deals as well as regular tool deals. So, first up, we have this Delta Shopmaster. It's 120 volt, 15 amp, 10-inch compound miter saw. It's $159. It was $219. Now, I had never heard of this brand. Let me know if you have in the comments. Now, next up, we have these SZRSTH solar lights. They're 210 LED, 2500 lumen. That's pretty powerful. Solar lights, these are waterproof as well. They're $23. It says $23 on November 25th. So I wonder almost if you go online and buy them, you can actually buy them for that price now. Now, next is this Drio space heater for inside portable electric heater. And let me know, guys, if that's the case, because I actually didn't research that. This is going to be $30. It was $39, and before that, it was $89. Now, they also have affirm payments apparently where you can pay over time with these. So just keep that in mind. I'm not recommending that or not, but I did just see that at the top. Now, this is a ceramic smaller fan, and this is a 12-inch rain shower head combo. This is going to be $36. It was $43, then $79 before that. And this comes in chrome. It also comes with a little spray handle as well. So you get the top portion, which is 12 inches, and then the 7-inch spray handle. Now, this is from Cataxin. It's a 12.5-foot, 330-pound capacity step, platform, and foldable scaffold ladder. This is going to be $91. It was $236. I'm not sure about you, but just using the scaffolding ladder feature, it says there's only 3 feet from the ground to the scaffolding part. That would just make me a little nervous, but hey, I guess this extends fully to 12.5 feet. And this is a foldable ladder. You're saving $144 on this one. Now, these are the early access deals, and then in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you the actual tool deals, which I almost think they're a little bit better than these. You Best Go. This is not sure what that brand is, but it's 799 piece tool set. Now, this would be like a DIY type set. This is going to be for $77 on November 25th. Before that, it was $119, and that's a drop from $191. So these are just some different pictures. It does come in this aluminum rolling case, which is kind of neat. Hopefully the handle is decent on it, though. These are just some different pictures of the tools. It looks like it has a precision set. And I'm going to go through the trays and show you what they have. I'm not a huge fan of Walmart's zoom tool because it's not like Amazon where you can look through it. But these are the different trays. It looks like it has some socket sets, precision sets, and some different wrench size sets. So that's pretty nice. Next up is this EcoFlow portable power station. This is the Delta 2 Lite 950 watt battery solar generator. That's nice. It's a solar generator. This is going to be $449. It was $538, and before that it was $900. They're saying this is great for like home backup emergency power, RV, and this next one here is going to be $499. This is from Pulsar Products. It's $499 is $100 off. It says RV ready. Now this one is super quiet. It's saying it uses dual fuel and parallel capability. I'm not sure how this one stacks up against like the Harbor Freight Predator ones, but probably not as efficient as those, but we shall see. It says it's only 47.3 pounds though. So next up here, we're going to look at this front page, and we have a toolbox. It's a Hart 300-piece mechanics tool set. So you're saving $100 on this. It's $98 or $98 on November 25th. But I believe if you purchase online, you can get that deal now. Now, this is from Hart. It's their 20-volt 3-tool combo kit. So here you're getting the drill, 6.5-inch circular saw, and LED light, as well as a battery and charger. Now, this is $98. And that's a picture of the circular saw, and it has the LED light, and it says the light shines up to 200 lumens. And I think it does have a charger as well. Yeah, one fast charger, and then it has the carrying case. So that's nice as well. I think Hart is Walmart's main tool brand. They have like Hyper Tough as well, but Hart is kind of their more, quote, premium brand, if you could say. Go ahead and leave a comment below and a like if you do find these videos helpful or you just think of something that you might want to go check out. Now from Hart again, this is the 20-volt dual port charger. It's a 2-pack where you're getting a 4 amp hour battery kit bundle. It's 129 that one. Now these are the tool deals. These aren't necessarily Black Friday deals, but kind of spread throughout you are going to find some Black Friday deals, but these are pretty reduced prices on these items. Now this is a Hart 215-piece mechanics tool set. This is a chrome finish set. It's now $98. You're saving $60. Has a limited lifetime of warranty on this one. I think the one I reviewed earlier was a little bit different. It has a 90-tooth ratchet as well as quick release for socket hold. And like I said, you can also see how many bought since yesterday up at the top, and it's in 200 people's carts. So that way you can kind of gauge, how popular it is. And as far as stars, it's got 4.7 stars with 440 ratings. Now from Hart, this is the 4-tool combo kit. This has the drill driver, it looks like. You're getting the LED light as well as the reciprocating saw. So the big addition here is the reciprocating saw and the driver. Over a $340 value, they're saying was $199. You're saving $51, so now it's going to be $148. And this is not one of the time-limited deals as far as Black Friday, it looks like. Now, I do not know this brand. It looks just like a bunch of letters, but this is like a 21-volt pink cordless drill set. It's a power tool set with a 2 amp hour battery, carrying case, which is nice, 25 plus 1 torque settings. You're getting the 3/8-inch metal keyless chuck. And this is kind of like a DIY tool just for things around the house. It's saying for women because it's pink. It's $35. You're saving $124. Although the $159 price, I don't know anyone who would pay that for kind of like a no-name brand. Anyways, 4.7 stars. That's pretty decent though at this one, and quite a few ratings. They're saying this is one of their flash deals. Now this is kind of very similar. This is the Hui store. $29. You're getting the same kind of kit, except this one comes in different colors. It's a 34-piece kit with a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, 25 plus 3 clutch compact drill driver. It does have the work light on this one. That's kind of nice. So whenever you press down on the drill button, or it'll give a little LED light, which is nice. And this one comes in different colors, yellow, blue, and red. I kind of like that blue color, which is nice. This one you're saving $70. It was $99. Now this is that no-name company again, or just a bunch of letters, but this is a black color. So instead of the pink, you're getting the 25 plus 1 position adjustable torque. Now this is only $10. You're saving $6. This is their other brand, their Hyper Tough brand, which Walmart is kind of known for. It's a 77-piece precision toolkit with magnetic screwdriver. Now this is great if you're working on really now it's electronics. It used to be like you would work on glasses and things, but electronics, they're showing kind of what it's for in the pictures here. I actually had to look around my house for something because I didn't have any smaller screwdrivers, so that would have helped. Now from Work Pro, this is their 103-piece pink toolkit. It says for ladies, a hand tool set, so something around the house for like a DIY. If someone has a new apartment or like a small home, this would be, a pretty good addition. Now this is $45. You're saving $54. This is a 171-piece socket wrench auto repair tool combo package. It says it has a 1/4-inch ratchet wrench, household tool set, mechanic set, and storage toolbox case. So 4.4 stars. It's getting out of 55 ratings. This is one of their clearance items, and they're saying this is a bestseller as well. Now, again, with Walmart, you're going to be getting some lower priced, a lot of times lower value items, but if it's like a hand tool, then you're not going to be risking too much. So now from Hart, this is the 20-volt 3/8-inch drill driver kit. It says it's a Gen 2 1.5 amp hour lithium ion battery. Does come with the charger as well, it looks like in the picture. This is going to be $49, originally $59, so you're saving $10 here. And they're just showing how you insert the battery. It's a slide-on battery. Let's see. Next up, we have this 39-piece all-purpose household toolkit. $19. You're saving $50. They're saying this was $69. I think that original price again is a little elevated. Probably the value would be 40 something, but for half that, it's still pretty good. This is one of their flash deals. So this again is, good for a rental, college dorm room, something like that. Now this one reminds me of the colors at least of Bosch or Bosch. It's a Cnx 20-volt max 2-tool cordless brushless combo kit, half-inch drill driver and a quarter-inch impact driver. Does come with 2 batteries, 1 charger, and a soft bag. So this is $229. So this is kind of, I'm wondering if this is just a brand they sell that is a higher value brand. I've never heard of this Cnx brand, nor have I tried it, but let me know in the comments if you've tried it before. So just something to check out. Again, guys, let me know in the comments if there's anything here that, I mean, they're good prices. Let me know if there's something that you would want to pick up for a family member, or even just for yourself to have on the home. From Work Pro is this 3-piece adjustable wrench set, 6, 8, and 10-inch pieces. It's $18. You're saving $41. It's saying it was $59. So this is one of their clearance items here. Doesn't have any ratings, but it is a Work Pro brand, so that is fairly well known at Walmart. Hyper Tough 30-piece metric and SAE combo wrench set. You can choose from blue or red here, and this is going to be $39. Not a crazy savings, but it's about $6 worth of savings. From Hyper Tough, this is the 54-piece quarter-inch and 3/8-inch drive socket set. You're saving $3 here. It was $15.99. It's now $12.88. And then this is the Pro Stormer 198-piece hand tool set. This is like another one of the DIY sets. It's kind of a trend I'm noticing at Walmart. They're selling a lot of these 100 to 200-piece tool sets that just have kind of all different kinds of tools for basic DIY home stuff. So saving $20, it was $90. It's now $69 on this one. Has different drive sockets, it looks like, scissors, hammers, wrenches, different size pliers, and precision tools as well. Now from Cat Good is this 20-volt cordless impact wrench with 2 batteries, half-inch brushless impact drill, max torque of 280 feet-pounds. It's a 30-piece tool set for home. Comes in the yellow color at $49. You're saving $50 here. Originally was $99. And this has 4.7 stars with about 39 ratings. I have not heard of this brand before, but if you have, shoot it in the comments. Now, Blackstone, this is the original 2-burner 28-inch propane omnivore grill with hard cover. Now, this one is one of their early access deals. It is going to be $147. It was $197, and it's saying 500 have bought since yesterday. That's pretty crazy, and it's in 200 people's carts right now. So this looks like it is a very popular item here. I have heard of this brand, and I've seen it in multiple stores as well. Now, this is an interesting idea from Blackstone as well. This is outdoor tabletop propane pizza oven with 13-inch rotating pizza stone. I've seen like the fire stoves, but this is going to be $147. It's $100 off on this one. Now this is the Muscota 19.5-inch stainless steel smokeless wood-burning fire pit with protective cover. This is going to be $97. It was $148. This is one of their Black Friday deals here. It's saying it produces 70% less smoke than traditional wood-burning pits, and it's made of stainless steel. And on the inside, it has a black high-temperature paint. It says it's to help prevent rust and discoloration. You can assemble in 5 minutes, 4.5 stars at 85 ratings on this one. And then scrolling down, they have some outdoor equipment from Greenworks. This is a 60-volt, 750 CFM blower with 4-amp-hour 8C battery and 3-amp charger. Now this is going to be $139. It was a $278. That's a pretty good deal on this one, especially this is 170 miles per hour leaf blower. And says 200 people's carts right now at 4.6 stars with 268 ratings. Now this one is 4.2 stars. This is the Greenworks 60-volt cordless 20-inch cordless stage snowblower with 5-amp-hour battery and 6-amp-hour charger. This is going to be $284. It was $319, and before that it was $500, so you're saving $215. Go ahead and check out this next video, guys. I hope these videos help, and these are some more deals if that's what YouTube chooses to show you. Thanks so much.